previous lesson, we were able to know who God is. We said God is the supreme being, the creator, and the principal object of worship. We established the fact that nobody has seen God before. And so we can only express the nature of God through his attributes. And we said the attributes of God are the names and titles that are given to God to show how God is experienced. In this lesson, we are going to look at an attribute of God by Christians. And by the end of this lesson, we should be able to mention some of the attributes of God by Christians. Christians believe that God is omnipotent. Omnipotent means God is all powerful. Christians also believe that God is omnipresence. And when we say omnipresence, it means that God is everywhere. Christians say God is omniscient. Do you know that? It means that God is all-knowing. God knows everything. God is self-existent. Christians say that God does not depend on any other person to live. We rather depend on God to survive. But God does not depend on anybody to survive. Therefore, when we say God is self-existent, it means that God does not rely on anybody for survival. Christians also say God is all-wise. That means that God is wise. He is wiser than every other person in this world. They also believe that God is good. They say God is merciful. They say God is kind. We have a lot of attributes that Christians use to describe God. Therefore, we will also look at in our next lesson Christian moral implication of the attributes of God. See you in the next lesson.